What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, I would like to say thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. 500 subscriber thank you video. We're going to be going through our channel analytics today, going through and how I've gotten to this point so far in my YouTube career, how I've grown so much in the past basically 90 days, and where I'm headed from here. So first off, I do want to say thank you so much for all the support, not only here on YouTube to get to 500 subscribers, but to also get my TikTok account to 12.8 thousand followers, and my Discord server to almost 1,000 members. Guys, I do appreciate all the support on all my social medias, and if you're interested in my other social media accounts, links will be down below in the description, but I do want to say thank you for all of that. I do have a lot of plans for the future, as we've hit our first milestone of 500 subscribers. Our next milestone is going to be 1,000 subscribers, which we're already getting close to, as we just hit 600 subscribers today, which is kind of funny because I'm doing a 500 subscriber thank you, but nevertheless, thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. I appreciate all the love and support. So now on to the interesting part of the video, which is how I actually got to this point. And I've grown a lot in the last 90 days, and we're going to be going through my channel analytics right here. So let's head over to check out my analytics and see what's been happening the past 90 days. Okay, so I pulled up the 90 days because really the past 90 days have been the most substantial growth that I've seen throughout my whole entire year of doing this. So with the past 90 days from May 10th to August 7th, we've seen 115,000 views, 558 watch time hours, and a gain of 423 subscribers. And as you can see, that's over 1,000% views gain. It's over 151% views in watch time hours, and an over 281% increase in subscriber count. So obviously something's been happening, something's been causing my channel to really grow at a really fast rate. And as you can see here now, we're sitting at 600 subscribers, and I'm doing a 500 subscriber thank you video because it's just been happening all so quickly. So again, thank you guys for that. But let's go into this and see what's really been happening. So you can see with the views, watch time hours, subscribers, not much happened between basically May 10th until about mid-June. Now mid-June is when I made the turning point and started uploading YouTube Shorts. All the TikToks that I've been posting on TikTok, I've been reposting and reusing on YouTube for YouTube Shorts. Now, yes, that is kind of the cheap way of creating extra views on YouTube because it's already content that's posted on another social media platform. But it is my own content that I'm posting and reposting, so therefore it's still content that I made. I just put it through TikTok already and put it on there, so now I'm also reposting and putting it on YouTube for a different viewing audience, which I highly recommend. If you get one thing from this video, it's to start doing YouTube Shorts. That, I think, is the best way to get into starting to see your account grow. Now, again, I would suggest you starting on TikTok, and then from there, start a YouTube channel and get those viewers from TikTok to head over to your YouTube channel. But again, I'll make a whole video about that and how to really grow your YouTube channel in a different video. But today we're just going to be going through the different analytics. And as you can see here, my views started to really grow in mid-June. We started getting 800 to even 1,000 views per day. My highest viewed video is at 39,000 views right now, but again, it's a YouTube short. Same thing with watch time hours. Not a crazy amount until about mid-June when we started seeing the hours increase by a lot. Again, highest hours was 137 hours of that same video. Subscriber count was a huge jump. I started to see subscribers, it used to be 1 to 2 a day, it was 6 right here, whatever it was. When I started posting YouTube Shorts, we had peaks of 33 subscribers a day, 40 subscribers a day, another 40 subscribers. Like, we've seen a huge jump just based off of these YouTube Short videos. We've seen a huge jump in subscribers. Again, 423 subscribers in just the last 90 days. Just the last 90 days alone. After working for a whole year, I've only gotten 600, but in the past 90 days, I've gotten well over half of my subscribers from just the YouTube Shorts. So again, like I told you guys, YouTube Shorts are the way to go to get started into YouTube. Now, obviously, making YouTube videos, you definitely should mix in with those YouTube Shorts, but I think that highly recommend you do YouTube Shorts because those are the videos that are doing very well for me. As you can see here, this is the top video. It was only a 15-second video maybe? I don't even remember, but it was 39,000 views that I got recorded on here, and it was a huge view jump compared to most of my other videos. Now let's also check out, let's go through my engagement. So my engagement was the only thing that dropped because of the fact that I made posting YouTube Shorts. Most of my engagement time was between 2 to even 5 minutes at some parts. But as we started getting posting to more YouTube Shorts, my viewership has dropped dramatically into either 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 second long videos. So my average view duration has decreased by almost 90% because of that. So obviously, you're going to take a hit in certain areas, and YouTube Shorts don't actually count for overall watch time views towards your monetization, so just keep that in mind as well. But overall, I've seen a lot of growth. I'm very, very happy with this so far, and I want to continue to keep on posting not only YouTube Shorts, but also YouTube videos mixed in and out with that. But again, guys, those are my analytics that I wanted to show you guys. We're currently sitting at 600 subscribers, and you know what? I've been seeing a lot of growth with the YouTube Shorts videos, so I'm going to be posting those along with my regular scheduled videos. But again, thank you guys for 500 subscribers. My next goal, again, is to hit 1,000 subscribers and to keep on moving forward and grow here on YouTube, TikTok, and my Discord server. But again, thank you guys for all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.